Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do click on the subscribe button now and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. Kedar Kantha trek from Uttarakhand. Kedar Kantha. The name means the throat of Lord Shiva. Kedar refers to Lord Shiva and Kantha means throat. The trek starts from Kotgaon or Sangri. In the winter months of December, Jan and Feb, you will see snow all the way from the first campsite to the summit. In March and April, expect to trek in snow on the day of your summit climb. One of the finest summit climbs for beginners, it is known for its winter trek. The view in winters is so mesmerizing. You'll not see snow-laden pine forest like the Kedar Kantha trek on any other trail. The Kedar Kantha trek covers a distance of 20 kilometers over 4 days. It is not just the fact that this trek is beginner friendly. Kedar Kantha has an enduring setting, the campsites, the summit views, the forest walks. This packed along with a thrilling summit climb makes it a wonderful trek for beginners, families and children. The better prepared you are, the more you will enjoy this trek. Just for a second guys, imagine yourself sitting at the camp, having a sip of tea and enjoying in this cold freezing winter. The temperature on the trek drops to 0 and sometimes negative post sundown, especially during winters. This is an additional factor that makes the trek challenging. Keeping all this in mind, you can manage all of this easily with good physical fitness and mental preparation. One of the things you guys will love about this trek is early mornings. The trail is placed so perfectly that when the eastern sun hits the slope, the entire landscape bursts to life. It's an experience to watch out for. However, what makes this short distance challenging is the altitude gain and loss of around 7,000 feet. You start the trek at 6,400 feet and climb to a highest altitude of 12,500 feet. This makes a few sections of the trek quite steep and challenging. You can observe wonderful sunsets sitting on one of the rocks by the campsite, just like you guys must have seen in movies and fairy tales. The experience of a summit climb is special because it stays with you for a long time. Waking up at 3 hours in the morning, dawn breaking as you climb up the mountain flank. For a long time, this flank and trail is the only thing you see ahead of you. And then coming up to the ridge where your world widens. And finally the summit where everything else is below you. The feeling on top of a summit is indescribable. There's a sense of achievement, the feeling you have earned this view. The kind of internal confidence you gain after an adventurous summit climb is difficult to shake. When you face the north, all around you are the mighty snow-clad ranges of Uttarakhand at your eye level. The view from the top is jaw-dropping. I just remembered a dialogue from a movie and it says,
मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता.
It's an unbelievable 360-degree view from the top. The belief says that it was supposed to be the original Kedarnath temple, but Lord Shiva, who disguised himself as a cow hiding from the Pandavas, was disturbed during meditation by village men. Then Lord Shiva moved and disappeared to the present Kedarnath.